today I want to share with you a very delicious and easy orange jello. Nice and creamy and of course homemade. But first things first, my apron is on, my hands are clean, and I am ready to show you my ingredients. And creamy orange jello, these are my ingredients. I have here vegetable spray, 1 package of velvety. The flavor of the jello is orange. 1 cream cheese, half a tablespoon of unsweetened, unflavored gelatin, and of course your mold and hot water. This is everything we need. So let's get started. First things first, getting ready my silicone mold for this amazing and delicious orange jello. Of course, I'm going to spray a little bit, and then I am going to help myself with a napkin to take away the excessive oil. Be very careful. You want all those little crevices to be covered with the oil. So when you release your jello, it really comes out perfect and with the perfect decoration. And now I am ready to continue with the Philadelphia cream cheese. Yes, I took it out of the refrigerator 1 hour before making this recipe. You really want to make sure that you take it out so that it comes to room temperature. Put it aside, and now let me show you what kind of jello I'm using. I'm using velvety orange jello, and to this I am going to add half a tablespoon of unsweetened, unflavored gelatin. I am going to incorporate it really good into the jello, just like this. You want to make it like this so your jello comes out nice and firm. And now I am ready to pour 3 cups of boiling water from the kettle. And now I'm adding the jello inside. Look at this. This looks amazing. Remember that when you add the mixture of the jello, you need to continue mixing for about 2 minutes. You want to make sure that the jello really dissolved in the boiling water. Don't mix it a little bit and then leave it like that and add it to the cream cheese. No, because it's going to get lumpy. You want to make sure that all the jello is completely dissolved in the hot water. Once you have this, let me show you. Everything is ready. It's so easy to prepare with very few ingredients. And of course, always prepare your mold. Spray it down, all those little crevices. And now we are ready to start making our delicious and creamy orange jello. And here in my blender cup, I am going to add the cream cheese, 1 whole bar of cream cheese. I'm going to add the 3 cups of the hot water with the jello mixture, and then we are going to blend away. It's still nice and hot, and that's exactly how you want it. And now let's take it. Let's blend it really good until you see it nice and creamy, almost like milk. Look at this. It doesn't take too long, my friends, to make this amazing orange jello. And here, of course, I'm using a plate to stabilize my silicone mold. And now I am ready to pour. The mold is ready, and I'm ready to pour the jello. Of course, you're going to put it in the refrigerator for about 4 hours or even overnight. You decide. If you have leftovers, you could put it in a cup or two. It all depends how big is your mold. But here I had a little bit left over and I added to a cup. And of course, now, before I take it to the refrigerator, I want to make sure I put saran wrap on the top. I really want to cover it so it doesn't absorb the flavors of the refrigerator. I want to make sure that this Jello tastes amazing and delicious. So I want to cover them and put it in the refrigerator for about 4 hours. And then I'll see you back when I'm ready to reveal how this Jello is going to come out. Let me tell you, it always comes out perfect. But now, of course, we're going to remove the plastic right on the top. And let me show you. Look how it got divided. The clear on the bottom, nice and moussey from the top. And of course, let me put it aside. This looks amazing. And I am ready to start taking the Jello out of the mold. Of course, taking away the plastic, getting my hand wet so I could release the sides of the Jello and the mold. And this is very easy. Just push down and release. Look at this. Once you release it from a corner, it'll be very easy to release completely. And now, helping myself with the plate on the bottom and a plate on the top, I'm going to turn it around and look. Let's reveal how this amazing orange Jello came out. Look how beautiful this came out. Just amazing. No need for decoration. But if you want to add decoration, go ahead. But this looks so beautiful. On the cup, of course, you could add whipped cream, add some slices of oranges right on the top, or just plain the way I'm doing it now. Look how beautiful this looks. And the flavor, oh my gosh, this orange Jello really comes out delicious. I really love it. The decoration of the mold, just perfect. If you got to this part of the video, you like and you love this recipe, like, subscribe, and share. Only with your help, Cooking with Gloria will continue growing. And of course, look at this. Of course, I want to show you how creamy this is. I can't wait to enjoy. I'll see you in just a little bit. With this amazing orange Jello, nice and creamy and delicious and perfect to finish your day. This is the part I love and enjoy, tasting my recipes. I wish you guys were here to taste it with me. Excuse me. So delicious. Let me tell you, once you make it and you enjoy it with your family, you're going to continue making this easy and delicious recipe. Jello, nice and creamy and delicious. Of course, you could decorate as you want. You could decorate on the top, but I love to leave it just like this. Nice and plain. Look how beautiful this mold was. If you liked and loved this amazing recipe, like, subscribe, and share. And don't forget to push that notification bell. And if you did, leave it activated. So every time I make an amazing recipe, yes, you're going to be notified. Before I say I see you soon, I wish you nothing but the best. Peace and love. I love you guys. Thank you for being here. Thank you for being part of Cooking with Gloria. I will stay enjoying this amazing orange Jello. See you soon. Bye-bye.